So today's question is, will AI replace marketers? Let's talk about it. AI is transforming how marketing is done, but it's not here to take over. Instead, it's a powerful tool that's reshaping the landscape. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, predict customer behavior, and even personalize marketing campaigns at an unprecedented scale. However, AI lacks the human touch. It can't understand complex human emotions or the subtleties of brand stories in the way a skilled marketer can. So, here's the big reveal. AI won't replace marketers. But here's the twist. Marketers who use AI will replace marketers who don't. In this new era, marketers who embrace AI, integrate it into their strategies, and use it to enhance their insights and creativity are the ones who will lead the pack. So, the future of marketing, it's human creativity amplified by AI. Stay ahead, stay informed, and let's keep reinventing marketing together.